Hey you!
Yes?
Are you tired of being in the dark 24/7?
I am.
Well, flip that switch.
I just flipped a switch. No way, it's pure energy and light.
Introducing the light switch. All you have to do is flip a switch and the lights go on.
So how does this work exactly?
Oh, it's simple. When you flip the switch on, not only does it turn the light on, but it turns your imagination on.
Wow. I can think of everything.
Our studies show the more you turn the lights on, the light forces seeps into your brain, making you more and more autistic. Alright, how are you guys liking the new light? Well, it appears the electricity killed them. Come back to life.
Wow.
It appears he is paralyzed.
My hat now, Sonny.
How?
But the ceiling lights aren't the only type we have. We also have plug-in lights. Get it? Get it in there. Get it in there. Wow. Wait, what are you doing? You're not supposed to shoot.
Wow.
Oh, no. Great. So, bye now!
The new light company is not held responsible for any deaths, injured, and/or maiming if anything were to occur. To order a new fresh pair of lights, including plug-in lights, ceiling lights, and many more, please call 188-WE-WANT-YOUR-MONEY. That is 188-WE-WANT-YOUR-MONEY. Please call now. Please pay responsibly.